guys, welcome back to my channel. And Royal Enfield has recently launched few variants of Classic 350 in the market, and we are going to talk about one of the variant, which is the alloy wheel variant, in this video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. So guys, starting from the front, here we get the halogen headlamp, and the glass of this headlamp has now been changed, and this is now transparent glass. We get the same halogen indicators in the Classic 350. At least I was expecting we get the LED headlamp now. So guys, in the front and rear we get the alloy wheels, and in the front we get 100 by 90 section 19 inches of tubeless tire. Obviously this bike will come with the dual channel ABS, and after giving alloy wheels, Classic 350 looks exactly similar to the Java 42 2.1. Please do let me know in the comment section what do you think about the same. On the fuel tank we get Royal Enfield written in the 3D logo. In the middle part we get the Classic 350 written, and it looks really great on the black color. Coming towards the rear we get same sari guard and the big footrest for the ladies. And this bike also come with the open chain system too, so you have to clean and lube the chain after some kilometers. This is the rear view of Classic 350. We get new tail lamp here. This is the right side view of Classic 350, and here this is the biggest change. Now we get disc on the right side and chain on the left side. In the previous version we used to get chain on the right side and disc on the left side. So in this Classic 350, Royal Enfield has really worked very hard to remove the vibrations, and vibrations are not on the bike now like the previous model. Well, this is the major change on this Classic 350 2021 model. We get digital instrument console. So like this it will swipe up, and on the digital meter you will see the fuel gauge indicator and the trip meter, and you will see clock, odometer. Let me see, this is the odometer. You will see trip 1 and trip 2 you will see here on the digital part. And we also get the optional navigation assist, so if you want to add you can, otherwise it will be like this. We get 13 liters of fuel tank, and on the fuel tank you can see red color graphics exactly like the Java 42. Not exactly, but it is kind of similar. Talking about the seat is quite comfortable. I felt the cushioning is quite great. Pillion seat is also very comfortable now. So now Classic 350 you can take for the touring as well with no vibrations, and rider seat is quite comfortable than the pillion seat. So guys, now talking about the engine, we get 349.3 cc of engine, which will generate 20.21 PS of power and 27 Newton meters of torque. We don't get any kind of radiator in this bike. So as I mentioned earlier, there is no vibrations on this Classic 350. So guys, the ex-showroom price of this alloy wheel model is around 2.11 lakhs. So guys, we'll now listen to the exhaust note of the Royal Enfield Classic 350. So guys, this is it for now in this video. So if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So we'll meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.